In this video, I'll show you how to actually use your Apple Pencil Pro to turn on any shortcuts on your iPad. And this is very useful. Everything is done by squeezing the Apple Pencil Pro. And to enable this, you need to go into the settings of your device first. Once you open the settings of your iPad, on the left side, you should find Apple Pencil. Select it and this menu will open on the right side. And over here, it should look like that. You need to go and select Squeeze, the top here. Usually Show Tool Palette is the default option. If you select Shortcut here, I'm gonna have this shortcut window that open and I can click on it and select any of these pre-made shortcuts. These ones are not made by myself. They came integrated with my iPad and they vary a lot. One of my favorite is definitely this one. If I select it, I can record a voice memo simply by simply by squeezing my Apple Pencil Pro. But this is just one of them. Obviously you have many, and if you have more apps that I do, you'll be able to create your own shortcuts for these apps. If you want to create a shortcut, you won't be able to do it from the window that you're seeing right now. You need to exit this and go into the shortcut app. So if I go over here, I will just in the app library search for shortcut, and it's this one over here. You need to select shortcut, and then I won't show you exactly how to create a shortcut because this can take a lot of time. There's many good tutorials on YouTube how to do it, but the basic is you're on this screen over here. You need to select starter shortcuts, click on the plus icon, and here you're gonna have multiple categories and even by apps if you prefer like this. And by clicking on one of them, you're gonna have the shortcuts that are already created, but you can create your own by clicking here. This is how you customize and enable the Apple Pencil Pro to have access to your shortcuts on your iPad. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.